I truly understand that quiet concern that arises when you feel your body changing in ways you can't quite control. But the clinical reality is that for many of us, significant muscle loss begins silently in our 30s. This isn't about vanity, it's a critical health marker. As research from institutions like Johns Hopkins Medicine clarifies, maintaining skeletal muscle is fundamental to metabolic health and longevity, acting as your body's primary reservoir for amino acids and a key regulator of blood sugar. Let's reframe our thinking. Your leg muscles are not simply for walking or climbing stairs, they are your body's largest metabolic engine. Within each muscle cell are thousands of mitochondria, the powerhouses that convert glucose into energy. When these muscles are strong and active, they act like a sponge, efficiently pulling sugar from your bloodstream after a meal, which is a powerful defense against insulin resistance and metabolic dysfunction. How do we awaken this dormant engine? The answer lies in a beautifully simple principle: mechanical tension. A resistance band provides a unique, continuous tension throughout an exercise. This physical stress sends a powerful signal to your muscle cells, initiating a cascade known as muscle protein synthesis. It's a direct command to rebuild and reinforce, making the muscle fibers thicker, stronger, and more metabolically active. Let's begin with 3 foundational movements. First, the glute bridge. Lie on your back, band just above your knees. Drive through your heels, lifting your hips while pushing your knees outwards against the band. This activates the gluteus maximus, the powerhouse of your lower body. Second, the clamshell. Lie on your side, knees bent. Keeping your feet together, lift your top knee against the band's resistance. This targets the gluteus medius, crucial for hip stability and preventing knee pain. Finally, the standing kickback. Holding onto a stable surface, extend one leg straight back, squeezing the glute at the top. Perform each movement for 15 slow, controlled repetitions. Now, the workout itself is only half of the equation. To truly rebuild, you must provide the architectural materials through nutrition. This requires precision. First, implement protein pacing. The goal is not just a daily total, but a consistent supply. Specifically, consume 25 to 30 grams of high-quality protein within 2 hours post-workout. A simple, effective option is 150 grams of plain Greek yogurt mixed with 1 scoop of collagen peptides. This combination provides the amino acid leucine, which acts as the primary trigger for muscle protein synthesis. Second, the magnesium mandate. This mineral is essential for over 300 enzymatic reactions, including muscle contraction and energy creation. Most women are deficient. A non-negotiable daily habit is to consume 1 cup of cooked spinach and a small handful of almonds or pumpkin seeds. This provides the magnesium necessary to prevent cramps and fuel the mitochondrial energy cycle. Third, control inflammation. Avoid pro-inflammatory seed oils like sunflower, corn, and soybean oil, which are high in omega-6 and often hidden in processed foods and salad dressings. Replace them with anti-inflammatory, extra virgin olive oil for cooking, and aim for 2 weekly servings of fatty fish like wild-caught salmon to increase your omega-3 intake, which directly supports the repair of your cellular membranes. Finally, we integrate this physical work into a holistic lifestyle that promotes deep recovery and resilience. Your progress is solidified not in the gym, but during rest. First, prioritize sleep for cellular repair. During deep sleep, your brain releases pulses of human growth hormone, which is absolutely critical for repairing muscle tissue. To enhance this, establish a digital sunset 1 hour before bed, no phones, no screens. This allows your natural melatonin production to rise, guiding you into restorative sleep. A warm bath with Epsom salts, which are magnesium sulfate, can further aid muscle relaxation. Second, master hydration for nutrient transport. Your cells are mostly water. Dehydration impairs the delivery of amino acids and glucose to your muscles. Begin every single day with a 500 milliliter glass of water containing a tiny pinch of unrefined sea salt. This simple act replenishes electrolytes lost overnight and ensures your cells are primed for repair. And third, the most crucial principle: consistency over intensity. The biological signal for muscle maintenance comes from frequency, not ferocity. Commit to this 10-minute routine just 3 times per week. Place your resistance band on your bedside table or next to your kettle as a non-negotiable visual cue. This small, consistent stimulus is profoundly more powerful for long-term health than sporadic, exhausting workouts. This is your blueprint for lasting strength.